Welcome to our channel. Today we how to check Mastercard gift card balance. Activation and balance help step by step clearly. First, take your Mastercard gift card and locate the website URL and customer service phone number printed on the back. Make sure you have the card with you, because you may need the card number, expiration date, and security code. If your card came in a package, read the small instructions sheet to confirm whether activation is required. If the card says call to activate or activate online, you must activate it before trying to use it. Open your phone or computer and connect to a secure internet network you trust. Type the official website exactly as it appears on the back of the card into your browser. Check that the website address looks correct and avoid clicking ads or random search results. On the site, find the option that says Activate Card, Register Card, or Get Started. Enter the card number carefully, then enter the expiration date and the CVV security code if requested. When asked for your zip code, use your own billing zip code if the site allows registration. If the system asks you to create a profile, choose a strong password and save it somewhere safe. Submit the activation form and wait for the confirmation message that the card is active. If online activation does not work, call the customer service number on the back of the card. Follow the automated prompts and enter the card number using your phone keypad. Listen for the message confirming activation and do not hang up until it says the process is complete. After activation, return to the official website to check your available balance. Select Check Balance, Balance Inquiry, or View Balance, depending on what the site shows. Enter your card number and any required details again to access the balance screen. Read the available balance and also check for recent transactions if the page shows them. If you prefer, you can check the balance by calling the phone number and choosing the balance option. Keep a note of your balance so you do not get declined due to an amount higher than what remains. If a store asks for a PIN, look for PIN instructions on the card packaging or the issuer website. If you want to use the card online, register your name and address on the issuer site if that option exists. When paying online, type the registered address details exactly the same to avoid payment errors. If your card is declined, verify the balance. Confirm the merchant accepts prepaid cards, and try a smaller amount. If the website shows fees, review them so you understand any monthly or inactivity charges. If you notice an unknown transaction, contact the card issuer immediately using the official number on the card. Store the card like cash and never share the full card number or security code with anyone you do not trust. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.